Nolan. Nolan. I woke up this morning wanting to sit up really bad. Anytime Mommy would try to lay me down, I'd do push-ups trying to get up. But now I'm teetering.
Sit up, Nolan. Come on. Sit up.
Look at his face. Daddy's silly. Is Daddy silly? You want to straighten him out?
Nope. He can do it himself.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
You hear that?
Come on, baby. There you
There we go. So my
Does he feel a little warm to you?
he felt fine to me. Daddy gets a little worried about you. Your cradle cap is almost gone. Got a lot of that off. Oh no.
She's just gonna let you fall. Dang.
Oh, Daddy's gotta check your temperature. I'm really glad I'm getting this on film. Your daddy's a little bit of a helicopter dad. He's very worried about you all the time. Not to say that Mommy doesn't worry about you, but what's it say?
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, he's got the perfect temperature, don't ya? Yeah, the perfect temperature. Oh, you've also become, just in this past week, a drool monster. A crazy, crazy drool monster. I think you're going to be teething soon. Yeah. A lot happening this week.
It's probably good. Maybe you should do some tummy time with him.
All right.
So he can build his arm strength.
All right, you ready to do some tummy time?